Good morning, everyone. Before we start our agenda, I would like to note that today, September 30th, is International Translation Day. That's right. It's a global day established by the UN to recognize translators and interpreters, the people who make cross-language communication possible in business, government, and everyday life.
Their role is critical. Without accurate translation, contracts, medical information, research findings, and even emergency updates wouldn't reach the people who need them.
Exactly. And it's more than just converting words. Good translation preserves meaning and context, builds trust between cultures, and enables true collaboration. An often invisible but essential profession that keeps our interconnected world running.
Well said. On International Translation Day, we thank translators and interpreters everywhere for their expertise and dedication.
Happy International Translation Day!